Yo, my lovely fans, this is HUC High Universal Court. Welcome back, guys. Say I know they hide something. I don't hide anything from anybody. Bible said that freely you receive, freely you should give. I don't know why some people. Bible said that you came here empty, you will go back empty. Why people they hide wetin they know? Why people they hide wetin they know? They know one other person know am, and you want to go hide. It's not easy. What you know, share it, let other people know it. Then watch how you will elevate. From where you are, you will elevate more. Do you understand? So this is HUC. I don't hide things. If you are not following me, you are missing. You are missing out a lot. Do you understand? So today I want to tell you the secrets. Mostly beginner barbers. This video is basically for you. You come and thank me here back. Make sure you share this video. That is the only thing you owe me. Share this video. I want other people to benefit from it. As I'm telling you all these things free, I want you to freely share it. Let other people to benefit, because this haircut you are seeing, this design that you are seeing now, they will do it finish in their closet and they will come and post it. You as a beginner barber, you'll be like, ah God, when will I be like this person? Stop saying you want to be like this person. You are bigger than that person that you are saying that you want to be like. Just that you have not discovered yourself. So after they draw this pattern finish, they come and post it. You'll be like, ah, this person is good. This person. You don't know how they come about it. The things they use. They think that most of them use clipper to draw these things. No. Some of them too also use clipper. That's why they say practice make perfection. You can't just start to now be drawing on someone's hair, putting parts on someone's hair, and the thing will be accurate. No. You will be trying it, keep doing it before it master you. But before it master you, you use one thing to make sure you get that drawing that you want, and they don't want to tell you that thing. What is that thing? That is what I want to tell us. That is what I want to tell us. Now let's go. I don't hide things. I unleash what I know. If you want to draw this pattern as a beginner barber, this pattern that you are seeing, if you want to draw it as a beginner barber, the first thing you need to do is to use barber pencil. You see this barber pencil? You see it? Try and get it. Most professional barbers that you see that draw pattern on someone's hair, they do make use of this barber pencil. How do you use it? That thing that you want to draw, hold it and be looking at it. Use this pencil to draw it on the person's hair or on his head. Draw it. After you draw it finish and get the perfect drawing, then you use your clipper and start sketching it. Follow it the way you drew the thing. Follow it very well. Do you understand? After you use your clipper and sketch it finish, then you now use your clip again. The edge, the tip of the blade, use it to get it very well. Then if you have that razor blade, you can use it. Then you can use it to touch it. Touch it that place, that middle that you use your clipper to sketch. Use it. After doing it, you blend the hair again. Maybe if it's local, you fade this side, you put it on step one. Listen very attentively. You put it on step one, you blend it up, you brush it. Then you repeat it again. Use your clip again to follow it again. Because whenever you put pattern on someone's hair, if you comb it out or brush it up, it will cover the pattern. Then you use it again. Use your clipper or that your razor blade. Use it again to get the shape back. So anything you want to draw, you're a beginner barber, you are not good at drawing. Anything you want to draw, first use this barber pencil to draw it. Most barbers that you see, they will use barber pencil to draw whatever they want to draw. Then they use their clipper to sketch it. After sketching, they use the blade, the razor blade, to get the sharpness. After getting it, they now start applying dye, touching it small. Then after they do it finish, dry it finish, they'll snap it and post it. Be like, ah, this person is good. This is the process. This is the secret. This is the secret. So if you learn something from this video, you know what to do for me. Don't send me money. I don't tell you to give me money. Share this video. Share this video. No knowledge is a waste. Share it. We keep learning every day. We keep learning every day. So this is High Universal Court, HUC. I love you guys. Anything I know, any secret I know in barbering industry, I'll come and tell us. That is my own. Everything I do here is theory and practical. Follow me for more, you will not regret. Go to my YouTube channel, subscribe, turn the notification bell on. If you really want to learn barbering from A to Z, I detail everything as if you're a primary one student, as if you're a newborn baby. I detail everything. Go and check it out. HUC, High Universal Court. Same thing with my Facebook. Follow me. You are not going to regret following me. Me, I used to see it seems as if I'm boasting. I'm not boasting. I don't compete anybody. I don't do anything. But I'm boasting that you can never follow me and regret following me. No. A lot of people have. Let me not just go there. So I love you. Share this video. I love you guys. High Universal Court, HUC, got you. One love.